in a grand celebration of faith and unity, where the young hearts come together to mark the 91st anniversary of the GMIM Synod Youth Service Commission, witnessed the parade with crosses with the largest number of participants. A spectacle like no other, where 19,112 spirited GMIM youth from the Minahasa Synod come together, carrying crosses with Christian symbols in a joyous procession that will be remembered forever. GMIM Synod Youth Service Commission GMIM Easter and GMIM Youth Celebration Committee 2017 of North Sulawesi, Indonesia have etched their names in the Asia Book of Records. It's more than just a parade. It's a grand display of the power of unity and faith. Celebrate this incredible ceremony. The parade with crosses is a symbol of faith and unity.